I'm gonna do a recap of what I got. I actually kind of organized it a little bit. This is from the final update series from the 2002 Benchwarmer. Those are all the base cards. Basically, you get the whole set from 101 to 250. Those are the base cards. You get the back to school, the preview cards, the bonus cards, silver, the bonus card gold, checklist, and the boot camp, cowgirls, double play, and let me show you what the hits were. Okay, we actually, when we opened it up, we got this nice box topper. Right, Anne Marie, Brooke, Casey, Flo, Camille. Has the autographs and the Kiss series stuff. And our chromium cards were, our All-American chromium cards were Shannon Malone, Sherry Goggin, Nisa Hall, and Brooke Morales. So we got a total of 4 of those, and then we got a total of 3 hotties, and they were Pamela Paulshock, we got Anne Marie Little, and Flo Jalen. And we got the 2 autographs plus a bonus card. We got the bonus card, which is the box topper, Katie Lohman. That one came on, not in a pack. And then we got the 2 that came in the pack were Kim Collinsworth and Carrie Stroop. Alright. And that's the recap. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.